Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm going to show you how to make buttercream beautifully light and fluffy. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a few ways that you can use this delicious ingredient. I'm starting off with half butter and half vegetable shortening. I find this gives a lovely balance of flavour. It also keeps the colour nice and light, and this is important if you want to colour it later. The more you mix these two ingredients at this stage, the lighter in colour it becomes and the lighter in texture. It's also best to sieve the icing sugar in two halves. This makes it easier to mix. It's probably best to mix it in by hand at this stage. If I go straight in with the mixer, there'll be icing sugar everywhere. Although I don't think I've ever made buttercream without getting some icing sugar on the table. There, that should do it. Now let's give it a thorough mix with that hand mixer. These ingredients need to be completely combined before we go any further. You might notice in this recipe that I use slightly less icing sugar than most traditional recipes. So if you like a buttercream that's not too sweet, then this one could be for you. This little bit of milk will help to lighten the mixture even further. Adding a little milk is a great way of adjusting the texture. In goes the rest of the icing sugar, and we repeat the process. This buttercream keeps really well in the fridge for a few days. Just pop it into a Ziploc bag and push out as much air as you can. It can even be popped into the freezer if you want to keep it longer. Just make sure it comes back to room temperature before it's used. So there we go. I'll leave you with a few ideas of using this buttercream in a few recipes. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great week and I'll catch you soon.